Okay, so right now we're going to Tulamben. Nako, Berna. Ano ba itong pinasukan nating mga kalye? And this is part of all the experience. Kasi si Berna sumusunod sa GPS. Now, let's see if it's going to be safe. Dito, panay motorsiklo lang yata ang dumadaan, Berna. So we're enjoying our stay here in Bali, and part of the experience is driving through these kinds of roads. Now, if you drive in the regular highway, it's easier, but there will be lots of motorcycles and lots of cars, trucks and buses. So now we are basically inside a jungle, and lots of rice paddies. So it's going to be exciting, and magaling ang aking driver, si Berna Baron. Galing mag-navigate. So far, so good. And Tulamben is our destination site for scuba diving. Okay, let's enjoy the ride, Berna. So stop over muna tayo dito sa JFC. Itong parang KFC nila, JFC. Okay, pinarada ni Berna sa mismong JFC. This is a good experience. Imbis na Kentucky Fried Chicken, JFC. Ayan, pipili na kung ano ang masarap. Ano kaya masarap dyan sa... ayan, bakit na raw ang hinahanap? Wow. Ito palang katapat ng KFC. Uy, ayam crispy. That looks good, What? One lang? Ako, wala. Two na. Huwag ka nang umorder ng prupok. Wow. Okay, dito, ayan ang upuan namin. Ayan ang kotse, mga motorsiklo. Ayun na yung kalye. Ayan si JFC, Jaya Fried Chicken. Ginaya si Kentucky Fried Chicken. Aba, okay ano? Okay yung gimmick nila. Yun, kami lang ang nakaparada. This is a good experience in Bali. Pero wala ito sa sa Kuta tsaka sa Seminyak. Ito, mukhang masarap talaga, Wow. Ayun kanyang kitchen, Good, Good the chicken, Spicy. Ayos, Ito, may mga drinks pa pala, Berna, Hindi ka na order ng drinks? Ayan, nakalagay pa sa chicken niya. Fire chicken. Ba? Magaling, Fire chicken. Baka pag sobrang spicy yan, hindi natin makain, Mura ng mga presyo, Yan yata in-order mo, Berna, Ayam crispy. Hindi ba natin kakainin muna? Kasi pag hindi natin kinain mamaya, dyan na. Very good, yan. Masarap na chicken. May French fries din, Justin crispy. Sarap. Yung pagkakaluto niya, mukhang masarap, Sige. Hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Okay na, pumutok. Okay. Good experience ito. Kung masarap. Ano lasa? Parang Kentucky? Okay. Kakain na rin ako. Parang lasang Jollibee. Ito, si JFC, Jaya Fried Chicken. Here in Bali. Itong fried chicken, tetestingin ko dahil medyo bitin-bitin. Fried chicken. Wow, ito pala yung fried chicken. Wow, siguro ito sobrang anghang. May kasamang maliit na ano ba yan? Cheese. Yan, ayan. Mayonnaise ba yan, Berna? Fired chicken. Tingnan natin kung masarap. We're back in the car, and the next destination we're going with my driver, Berna Baron. Okay, so ita-traffic ko daw si Berna. Okay, atras, Berna. Okay, atras pa. Okay, close my door. Okay, let's go. Oh, kailangan para hindi tayo mabangga. Tina-traffic kita eh. Okay, next destination na. Okay, just keep left ha. Kasi right-hand drive.
Turn left.
Wow, maliit ang kalye oh. Okay. Wow, maliit na kalye ulit oh. Ito, para tayo nagpupunta ng Anilao, Batangas.